The Department of Corrections reports that it's on track to break records yet again, with 198 drones spotted this year so far, on track to exceed last year's numbers. And in the last 5 years, that number tops 700, and that's the ones that they only know about. Prison officials have come to know that unmanned aircrafts or drones circling prison yards can carry drugs, cell phones, parts for weapons, and more. It's become such a problem that the National Institute of Justice issued an advisory report earlier this year, providing a roadmap on how to combat drones, despite the legal and technical barriers that still exist.
The likelihood of them being watched and caught has gone up exponentially.
It's an issue the director of the Department of Corrections, Brian Sterling, doesn't take lightly. In May, around the same time authorities say they caught Jordan, SCDC launched Dedrone, a new AI drone detection technology. It's the same one used by the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division during this past year's bridge run in Charleston. And in Jordan's case, it was able to detect that he had used the same drone each time he was caught. Once a drone enters the restricted prison airspace, administrators are immediately notified. It can detect several drones in the air all at once and the flight path. Sterling says they're catching more contraband now than ever.